Tell me about yourself.
I have recently completed my MBA in finance from XYZ University. During my studies, I focused on financial analysis, investment strategies, and corporate finance. I interned at ABC Corp, where I gained practical experience in financial modeling and market analysis. I am eager to apply my knowledge and skills in a challenging finance role and contribute to the growth of the organization.
Why did you choose finance as your specialization?
I have always been fascinated by how financial systems operate and impact businesses and the economy. My interest in finance was further reinforced during my undergraduate studies in business administration and internships, where I enjoyed analyzing financial statements and market trends. Choosing finance as my specialization was a natural decision because it aligns with my strengths and career aspirations.
What is financial modeling?
Financial modeling is the process of creating a summary of a company's financial performance using spreadsheet software like Excel. It involves projecting the future financial performance of a company based on historical data, assumptions, and various financial metrics. Financial models are used for decision-making, valuation, and assessing the impact of different scenarios on a company's financial health.
Explain the difference between a balance sheet and an income statement.
A balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time, showing its assets, liabilities, and equity. In contrast, an income statement shows a company's financial performance over a specific period, detailing revenues, expenses, and profits or losses. The balance sheet reflects what a company owns and owes, while the income statement focuses on its profitability.
What is the importance of cash flow analysis?
Cash flow analysis is crucial because it helps businesses understand their liquidity and ability to generate cash to meet obligations. It identifies the sources and uses of cash, highlighting the company's operating, investing, and financing activities. This analysis is essential for assessing the company's financial health, making informed investment decisions, and ensuring sufficient cash flow for operations and growth.
What are the three main types of financial statements?
The three main types of financial statements are: income statement. It shows the company's revenue, expenses, and profits over a specific period. Balance sheet. It provides a snapshot of the company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a particular point in time. Cash flow statement. It details the cash inflows and outflows from operating, investing, and financing activities over a period.
Can you explain the concept of net present value, NPV?
Net present value (NPV) is a financial metric used to evaluate the profitability of an investment or project. It represents the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over the project's life. A positive NPV indicates that the projected earnings exceed the anticipated costs, making the investment attractive, while a negative NPV suggests the opposite.
What is the weighted average cost of capital, WACC?
WACC is the average rate of return a company is expected to pay to its shareholders and debt holders to finance its assets. It reflects the cost of each component of the company's capital structure, including equity, debt, and preferred stock, weighted by their respective proportions in the total capital. WACC is used in financial modeling and valuation to discount future cash flows to their present value.
Describe a time when you had to analyze financial data to make a recommendation.
During my internship at ABC Corp, I was tasked with analyzing the financial statements of a potential acquisition target. I assessed their revenue growth, profit margins, and cash flow trends. Based on my analysis, I identified potential risks and synergies. I presented my findings to the senior management, recommending a cautious approach due to the target's volatile cash flows and high debt levels.
How do you stay updated with financial news and trends?
I stay updated with financial news and trends by regularly reading financial publications like the Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, and Bloomberg. I also follow industry blogs, podcasts, and webinars. Additionally, I am an active member of finance related online communities and professional networks, which provide valuable insights and discussions on current financial topics.